Right, viewers, welcome back. We move on to the story we're tracking from West Bengal. Tensions once again are brewing in Nandigram, where a party worker of the BJP has died. Now, the party is alleging that it is because of the TMC workers that their party worker was killed. These are, we are getting you more and more visuals coming in as the clashes have been erupting, viewers, across West Bengal ahead of the elections and also during the elections. We are getting we're trying to get some inputs from our Bangla newsroom. I believe we have a correspondent who's joining us from our Bangla newsroom in Kolkata. Kisholai is live. I am told Kisholai is live from our Kolkata newsroom. Kisholai, tell us more about the details of it. What we understand is that in Purba Mednipur, there was a protest happening and the road was blocked and a party worker was killed.
2007 Nandigram is returning. We know how violent that was during the left regime, and many people, 14 people died actually at that point of time and many people injured. Now, right now, what's happening there is yesterday night one BJP worker was attacked and his mother was killed, hacked to death, allegedly by TMC goons. Now today morning, BJP started protesting against what happened yesterday night. But on the contrary, more BJP workers were attacked and their houses. So there was retaliation, many other houses were burnt, allegedly by the BJP supporters as well. There was a clash that ensued and then a bandh was called by the BJP in Nandigram. Later on, the police had to resort to lathi charge, and the BJP is saying that police brutally lathi charged their workers instead of bringing those culprits who attacked the BJP workers. They instead attacked or lathi charged the BJP workers. Right now, as we speak, the situation in Nandigram is very tense. Police has been deployed all over Nandigram. BJP workers are alleging that police is working one-sidedly and that the police is not taking enough action to protect them. Also, BJP is alleging that right after Abhishek Banerjee gave an inflammatory speech at Nandigram saying that there will be retaliation all over Nandigram, this whole situation arise. Therefore, they are saying it's Abhishek Banerjee who created the whole situation through his speech, after which the TMC goons allegedly attacked the BJP workers and also killed one of them. So this is the situation right now as we speak. Nandigram is boiling again, burning again, as it was burning in 2007. Many people are comparing the situation, and right now a huge police force has been deployed. BJP is still now protesting in many of the areas. Rakshita.
Right, Kisholai, stay with us. In fact, let's get our viewers those visuals that have come in, and really dramatic visuals. And let's take a listen in fact, to the audio also, because these clashes are now only intensifying in Nandigram. And what we understand is that the security forces have also been rushed in. Let's take a look at those visuals. Kisholai, tell us more about the measures that have been now taken up. We believe that the central forces have also been rushed into Nandigram.
Well, central forces have been sent, deployed, the police force has been increased. But the question is, the BJP workers were protesting because there was a murder. And the murder which happened, and one person is gravely injured, he has been transferred to Kolkata. The murder happened and the allegation is on the TMC. Now there has been a few people who have been apprehended by the police. But the question, bigger question is, after the murder happened and after the BJP workers were attacked, again the BJP workers were lathi charged when they're protesting, and they were lathi charged by the police. BJP is asking why this one-sided action has been taken by the police. Right now the situation is still tense and a huge amount of central forces and police force has been deployed.